What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver, and I'm back again with another one. In today's video, I will be teaching you the cheat code to your sides. Cheat code to your weak side, man. If your weak side ain't come in, if your good side ain't coming, if your whatever side ain't come in, I'm teaching you the cheat codes today to better that weak side. Whichever side is your weak side, I'm teaching you the cheat codes to that right now. So today's video, I'm basically just focusing on the sides of your waves. So if this don't apply to you, still watch the video, you might need the info. So keep watching. So obviously first things you're gonna need is you're gonna need a comb, because it's gonna better your connection. And not only that, it's gonna help your hair flow a little better, you feel me? And it's good to comb your hair. It's a lot of reasons why you need to comb your waves, man. People say it don't help with connections. Yes, it does. People say a comb don't do this, don't do that. Yes, it does. This right here lifts your hair up so you can get the products into it when your hair is when you have a lot more hair. It's just so much benefits to having a comb, bro. If you're not a waver and you don't have a comb, you need to go get one. You're slacking. You definitely gonna need a comb. You're gonna need some type of plastic bag or a lay down G. So let's just come out the rag, and I'm gonna show you my good side versus my weak side. So this right here, this is my good side. I don't know what's going on right there. I don't know why. I don't know why it's looking like that, but I don't know why it's been looking like that recently. That's some weird stuff going on. But yeah, this is my good side though. Probably just need to brush it, but who knows, bro? Who knows? Maybe I'm wearing a do-rag the wrong way or something. But yeah, that's my good side. And this is my weak side, man. Clearly that boy weak is weak. It's weak. Weak. Just to, let me see how that crown looking. It's not looking too healthy, man, at all. Alright, so I'm sweating barbecue sauce, but honestly, what I say you do to better your weak side, or anything problems that you have going on your weak side, here's what you do. See what I just did? What did I just do? I just started combing it. Combing it with the way that you brush. I need to wash and style after this video. I'm washing and styling, so I'm not putting no more products in my hair in this video. But like I said, if you do, fix the focus real quick. I'm sweating barbecue sauce. There we go. Like I said, as y'all see, I started off combing and I'm using my mirror to see what I'm doing. You dig? Just lifting my hair up. Just forcing everything to go in a certain way. And lifting my hair up so I can brush it back down in the right way, you know, direction. Just getting any, like, you feel me, naps that I have out. And if you notice, my hair is up on the sides. I'm not up here because I didn't comb that part. We're focusing on sides today. So then what you want to do is you want to get you some type of medium. Feel me? This is a medium right here. I will be using straight brush. Well, this is curved, but it's still straight. Like it's a fork breaker, so. And you want to apply whatever oil. If your hair is not moisturized, but in my case, my hair is moisturized. It's dirty. So we just gonna get this brush session in before we wash and style. You feel me? But this I'm still giving you good game right now. So what you want to do is you want to vertical brush your sides. Precise brush strokes, bro. You gotta watch what you're doing. The more precise your brush strokes are, the better it's gonna be for you in the long run. The better your waves are gonna start to connect, they're gonna start to flow better. Things are going to work out for themselves. You're gonna start seeing better results. The more healthier you keep your hair. So literally, I'm gonna see better results from today's unrag after I do the wash and style with my fluffy puffs and my smoke that I got from him. But it's that simple, bro. You want to start your brush sessions off on your weak side. You can do a thing like this. You can count. Look, you can go like this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You feel me? But you counting though. You count until you get to 100. You feel me? And just keep counting to 100. Just keep counting to 100. Once you get to 100, start back again. Do that on both sides and start your brush sessions off on your sides, and you're gonna see progress. It's not that hard to get your weak side to come in. You just need to show it enough attention. But don't show it too much attention, because then your left side is gonna become the weak side and the right side is gonna become your good side, in my case. It could be vice versa for you, whichever side is your weak side. Mine is my right. So if I focus on my right and stop brushing my left is gonna become weak. So you need to brush everything equally. Everything needs to be equally brushed. It's that simple. You feel me? Evenly brushed, precise brush strokes, bro. The slow turtle always is always gonna beat the person who's rushing. Remember that. The snail is always gonna beat the turtle. Or honestly, let me stop trying to be motivational, because I don't know if a snail is faster than a turtle. Either way it go, if you if you go slow, everything is gonna work and flow. For me, but brush everything equally. Give everything 100 strokes and keep doing it. But you know, it's that simple. It's nothing to it but to do with these weak sides. Y'all be in a DM talking about how your weak side is just not coming in, da da da, all this and that about your weak side, bro. Yeah, I need to wash my hair, because I'm over here. Yep, it's time for a wash. Y'all be screaming, and then you follow it up with a nice curved brush to lay everything back down. That's just for me. This is just what I do. But y'all be hollering about y'all weak side so much. My weak side this, my weak side that. It's not coming in. It's not looking good. And don't judge me on definition in this video, y'all, because my hair is extremely dirty. Extremely dirty. So the definition is not going to be as great. You can go watch the video before this one though. Go tune in with my last video. You get a few little tips over there. I'm teaching you how to fix the crookedness in your waves and better your connections. Today I'm teaching you how to better your weak sides. I'm giving you the cheat code. The cheat code is this right here. This was the cheat code, this video. This handy dandy piece right here. That's the cheat code, bro. There's nothing to it but to do it, bro. Y'all be in the DMs complaining about y'all weak sides, how things are not working for y'all, how things are not coming in. You're not brushing, bro. You're not giving it. You're not putting your all into it. You're half, you feel me? I know the rest. You half, you feel me? You half A in it, bro. I don't curse on here. Y'all half A in it. You feel me? Y'all half, you feel me? So, if y'all stop trying to just cheat the wave, you know, okay, I know this is a cheat code, but I'm saying if y'all stop trying to cheat the process of the brush, trusting the process and actually brushing to see the results, actually putting blood, sweat, and tears into the brush session, bro, your waves are gonna come in, bro. Put blood, sweat, and tears into that brush session, your waves are gonna come in. And if y'all see me looking up here a lot, I got the camera, you feel me? I can see myself right here, so I can see what I'm doing, so I won't be blind brushing. Don't think I'm blind brushing out here for real, because we don't blind brush around here, bro. Feel me? Then you plastic bag just like you brush, just like so. Bro, it's really nothing to it but to do it, bro. You have to put in the brushwork. You have to put in the brushwork. Give everything time to fully process and come in, bro. You can't start brushing and get depressed and stop brushing thinking it's not working, bro. You might have just been there. You might have just been right there, bro. I literally give y'all the game, bro. I give y'all the 411 on how to brush your hair. Y'all need to study the videos. Like Sir Cruz was just saying in a live I just watched the other day. Y'all watching the videos, you're like, hey, you feel me? Hold on. Y'all like, hey, I watched the videos. I watched all your videos, bro. How do I get waves? What do you mean you watched all my videos? How you get waves? Bro, I literally gave y'all the game in all them videos. Y'all ain't watch? Oh, I watched, bro, but I still don't have waves because you're not studying. Like Sir Cruz said, you need to study the video. Study, right? Even if you gotta write it down, bro, however you need to process it is how you need to process it, bro, because what I'm giving you right now is free game. It's a tutorial. It's literally a tutorial, bro. I just taught y'all how to better y'all weak sides, and y'all probably already knew this, but y'all was too lazy to actually pay attention, so I gotta make another video telling y'all. You can't be lazy in this game, man. It's all about being consistent and, you know, laying it down, bro. It's all about being consistent, brushing your hair, laying it down, and getting everything locked into place with precise brush strokes, no rush brush strokes. You always want to make sure that you're brushing on point, man. It's key facts, man. That's all I have for y'all today, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Subscribe to my couple channel and the gaming channel. Gaming video coming soon. I've just been sitting on it. I'm gonna drop it. Don't trip. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop more, and I think I'm gonna transition to Fortnite videos if y'all ready for that, man. But go tune in, man. It's your boy Rico the Waver. I'm out.